So what is an all-on-4? 4 means 4 implants. So when you have very limited amount of bone, especially in your posterior maxilla, then you have only your anterior maxilla where you can place 4 implants. 2 in the front and 2 behind at a tilt so that you get the maximum benefit of the length of the implants. These are specifically done manually with a guide, or today with the digitally driven technology, we do it with guides which are digitally printed. So you get the correct angulations. The front 2 implants are straight and the remaining 2 implants behind are either 20 or 33 degree angulated. Now with these kind of 4 implants, you can have your entire dentures being resting on the foundation of these implants. To know more about whether you're an all-on-4 candidate, you can inquire or email to us and also send your OPG to Smile to India. We can review our OPG, check the amount of bone, and we can give you the guidelines whether you fall under the all-on-4 category.